back to my channel. My name is Britney-Louise. If you have just stumbled across my channel for the first time, hi, welcome. Today I am going to show you guys a fun spring look. It's festival season and you know, everybody likes to do their own thing, and of course I like to do mine, and I wanted to show you guys what I came up with. I think this is a pretty snazzy look, so if you want to keep watching and see how I achieved this look, what I used to achieve this look, how much I struggled with this look, because I literally came up with this off the dome, but the whole entire look is inspired by my nails. So shout out to my nail tech, my lovely nail tech, Nails by B. Lee. That is my girl. I love her to pieces. I'll leave her Instagram below so you can check out all her artwork. My God, that girl is talented. She's amazing. She's cold-blooded, and so I didn't get super detailed like she did because she's cold-blooded, and I would have been here all night. But if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is use my NYX eyeshadow base. And I'm just taking my concealer brush to blend that out over my eyes. I want to make sure that I have enough on there so that the eyeshadow that I decide to use, which by the way is the color Lure from the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush to blend that out with. So now I'm using a oldie but goodie for this look to kind of add some depth to my eyes, and that is Porter by ColourPop. And it's from their Super Shock Shadows. I'm not even sure if they still make this one, guys. They probably do, but I'm just going to put it in the corner there to just kind of deepen that crease up. And I'm just using a fluffy brush. Now I'm going to go in with a more tapered brush. My Crown Brush collection is a little bit more tapered, and I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette and with the color Parallel, and I'm just going to define that line in the crease. Defining the line in my crease gives a better guide for me to where I want my shadow to stop at when placing it on my eyelid. I'm going to take my Tarte pressed pigments in the color Beach Bay. So I'm going to let me see, I might have to use my finger. Let's just see. I might have to use my finger though. Let me try this. Let me try my flathead from MAC. My synthetic flathead. Yeah, I might have to use my finger to get the... I'm going to take my finger. I'm going to dip. Now I'm just going to press that pigment right towards the center of my eye. I want it to be skin to skin. Sometimes I get the best pigment payoff just by using my finger. It's that oil contact. It just really gives the girl something to gasp about. You know what I'm saying? You're supposed to get some sort of just freeing look from this. I'm going to dip into my Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfector and give myself just a little bit of rosiness, like a copper overlay. And now for the fun part, I am going to take my Stila Cosmetics in the color Gypsy. It's going to be very pretty. Placing it from the corner of my eyelid and bringing it to the center to add some sparkle and some fun there. And I'm using a fluffy brush to blend that in. Now I'm just taking my liquid eyeliner and just finishing up my eyes so that we can move on to the next process. Okay, guys, so now I'm adding just a little touch, just a touch of love, a little bit. So I'm adding just a little bit of my Eye Candy Cosmetics glitter in the corner of my eyes just to make it pop just a tad bit more. And normally I would use the Eye Candy Cosmetics sugar adhesive, but I ran out, so you know, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm gonna get this chair changed one day. It is so squeaky. Okay, so now that my face is pretty much almost done with just the regular slay, I'm gonna go in and I am going to take my highlighters and my contour and just finish out my face really quick. And the powders and everything that I used will be listed below, but I'm just finishing powdering my face so that we can get to the fun part. Okay, this is the fun part. So I couldn't talk through this part because I didn't know exactly what I was going to do. But from what you see, all I'm doing is taking a white eyeliner, and it's a NYX white eyeliner, and I am just putting white eyeliner in the places where I want to define my look more, kind of that graphic lining that I'm doing so that I can make my lips pop more. And right there, I'm using Evil Twin on my lips by Too Faced Cosmetics. And I'm just filling in my lips there. So with this part, it's not necessarily hard to explain, but because you can see what I'm doing. But I wanted to let you guys know the struggle was real trying to get this perfect on my lips and just trying to get that white eyeliner to stay as white as possible without it blending into my actual foundation. So that's the finished look on the lids. And now I'm about to go into my forehead markings. And I'm just taking that same white eyeliner and just sketching out the markings on my forehead. And this is pretty much what I do throughout the entire process. I'm just sketching out my lines, and then I'm taking a finer brush, a paintbrush, and just blending out that mark that I made with my eyeliner. And that's exactly what I did throughout the whole look. As you can see, I wanted to make it as perfect as possible. And I'm taking those gems that I showed you earlier. And I got these at Walmart. They were 97 cents a piece for the packages. And they already had adhesive on the bottom of them. But I decided to add more eyelash glue to the back of them because that adhesive that's on the back of those gems, they don't work for nobody. So I decided to add a little extra care with my eyelash glue. And I'm just carefully placing my gems on my forehead. And I kind of did a pattern. I did a rhinestone, then I did a pearl. So I did 2 rhinestones, 1 pearl, and then I did a larger rhinestone. So you can see exactly what I'm doing. But that's pretty much how I finished that look. Now I gotta go back into these lines and do the lines. Although I do like it like this. I like the subtlety of it, but I definitely need something. I need something in the cheek area. So like I have such an appreciation for my nail tech because laying these stones, and I only did 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I did 9 of these. Okay. Y'all ready to be giving these nail techs a break, okay? Because laying these little stones, not a game. And now I have to go back in with a steady hand and finish my line work without mixing my foundation as much as possible. And just to reiterate, I am sketching out in a diagonal line with my NYX white eyeliner pencil and creating those lines to fill that triangle. And then I'm going back in with a paintbrush to smooth out those edges within the lines. So I'm just trying to make the lines look as smooth as possible and not having them blend in with my foundation. So I'll blend and then I'll go back in with the white eyeliner, and in between those times I'm cleaning off that white eyeliner to make sure that my foundation isn't mixing in with the white as much as possible. And that's basically what I did the whole time during this process. And as you can see here, my camera died. I came back on with white dots, and I just, same thing, same motion, same actions, just did white circles. And then eventually I had to switch over to my liquid white eyeliner and just kind of press that liquid into my skin to create the that brightness within the white circle markings on my face. And I just made them brighter throughout, and that's pretty much it with my face. Okay, so obviously I've done a lot off of camera. When I was off camera, I had to fix my markings here, my lines here, because it was just a hot mess. Really, if you were going to do this, which is an obvious silly little mistake that I made. I knew I should have done all my lines first, but I got super eager and I got super excited and happy. So I decided to start putting my gems on top and then bring my lines too, which that is like such a rookie mistake, but I was in such a hurry to get it done. So don't be in a hurry to get it done, because when you mess up, it won't even matter. You'll have to start all over. So just to get it right if you're a perfectionist like me. And this is still not as perfect as I want it, but I wanted to get it done and I wanted to get as right as possible. So now really all I'm doing is just adding flowers to my little buns. I have these little flower pieces and I picked them up at Michael's. I didn't use them for a different project and I was trying to figure out what can I put in my hair to make it look a little bit more festive besides the knots, the hair knots up here. So why not add some floral off pieces from the larger stem and taking hairpins and just, I mean, it's super simple. I did have like a flower crown, but that just wasn't working out. It reminded me too much of sugar skulls. I just wanted them to look as organic as possible. Like I literally just threw these up and just stuck some flowers in them. I'm festival ready. All right, guys, that is it. This is my finished and complete look for my spring festival look. I really like this makeup look that I did, and I hope you guys liked it too. I definitely got a lot of the inspiration from my nails. Nails by B. That's my girl. Brittany's amazing, and her name is Brittany like me. And she always slays my nails. She's always, her artwork is just off the chain, off the charts. And so I decided to do a inspired look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this is something that you would try if you're ever going, if you guys are going to be going to a spring festival. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, share. I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.